Hello friends, welcome to Few Minutes Dr. Ajay. Today I am going to tell you about very important information that will help you and your friends and your family member on deciding where at home. Whether you have mild COVID disease or moderate COVID disease or a severe COVID disease without undergoing any investigation of blood or CT scan or X-ray. Without any investigation, how you can decide whether you are suffering from mild COVID disease, moderate COVID disease or severe COVID disease. Friends, I am simplifying the guidelines given by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare on 22nd April 2021. So we will divide COVID disease into three categories, and first category is mild disease. Mild disease of COVID will be the person will be having upper respiratory tract symptoms like sneezing, cough, sore throat, fever, loss of smell, loss of taste, and without or with shortness of the breath. And if we count the respiratory rate will be from 18 to 24, less than 24, right? So normal respiratory rate is 18 per minute. So mild COVID disease will be only upper respiratory tract symptoms, fever, with or without mild breathlessness, with respiratory rate ranging from 18 to below 24. These type of patients will be treated at home isolation and care. Second category will be the moderate COVID disease. Moderate COVID disease will have any one of the following things. Number one, respiratory rate will be equal to or 24 per minute, and breathlessness either or SpO2 will be from 93 to 90 on the room air. If the person is having respiratory rate of 24 per minute with breathlessness and SpO2 with pulse oximeter will be ranging from 93% to 90%, then the person will be classified in moderate COVID disease, and these type of patient will be treated by admitting in the ward. And third type of category will be severe COVID disease. Severe COVID disease will be when respiratory rate will be more than 30 per minute and person will be breathless, or SpO2 on the room air will be less than 90%, and if respiratory rate more than 30 and SpO2 is less than 90% on the room air, these disease will be called severe COVID disease, and such patient will be treated by admission in ICU. Thank you so much.